Hello everyone. MaxBot is here. Today, modern technology gives even newcomers access to tools that can make market analysis much easier. You don't necessarily need years of trading experience to start learning how the market works, and AI-powered neural network can serve as an additional analytical assistant. In this video, I'll demonstrate how the free version of the AI works using a practical example. You can also find a link in the description to access the bot. So, let's begin. I launched the free trading assistant and chose the Australian dollar to US dollar currency pair from the available instruments for my first setup. Before entering the market, I opened the Binodex platform and located the same pair so everything was ready. I selected a $600 trade with a 1-minute expiration period. Then I returned to the bot and selected the 1-minute analysis option. The neural network processed the current market data and generated a signal indicating a possible upward price movement over the selected period. I switched back to Binodex and independently reviewed the chart and current market conditions. The signal matched my own analysis, so I decided to open the trade in the indicated direction. Remember, AI should be used as an assistant together with your own trading logic, risk management, and independent market analysis. To access the trading neural network, simply follow the link in the description, open the AI trading platform, and complete the instructions provided there to connect the assistant. If you experience any difficulties while setting everything up, you can contact the support manager. They can explain the connection process and provide guidance regarding registration and account verification on the Binodex platform. The manager's contact information is available below this video. In practice, the bot is designed to function as an analytical assistant, helping traders evaluate market conditions and make more informed decisions. According to the service's stated specifications, the system can reach accuracy of up to 85% by processing information from 12 key trading indicators and continuously assessing current market conditions. And now, the first trade has finished. The result was positive. That's a solid beginning for our session. Let's move on and see what the next signal brings. Now I'll increase the investment amount to $700 in accordance with the money management rules. Let's test the trading bot on a 5-minute time frame and change the currency pair. I'll select the US dollar and Japanese yen on the Binodex broker. Next, I go to the trading bot interface, find this currency pair in the list, and click the 5-minute expiration time button. After analysis, the artificial intelligence predicts that the price will go down. Well, let's watch the market and make a decision. I'm sure the price will move down. Beginners often find it challenging to read the market correctly and determine when an entry may be appropriate, especially when they are still learning how price movements work. A neural network can act as an additional analytical assistant by generating trading signals based on current market conditions, recent developments, and relevant news. Rather than manually following every economic report, central bank announcement, political event, or change in market sentiment, an AI system can process these different sources of information and include them in its overall analysis. At the same time, the trading bot monitors 12 important technical indicators in real time, compares their readings, and uses predictive algorithms to evaluate possible price directions. Combining technical information with news and market sentiment can give traders a broader view of the situation and help them avoid making decisions based purely on assumptions. Another important aspect is market context. The same indicator can behave differently during a strong trend, a flat period, or a sudden volatility spike, so analyzing several factors simultaneously can be more useful than relying on one indicator alone. Many advanced AI trading solutions are normally offered as premium products with expensive subscriptions, which can make them difficult for beginners to access. However, in this case, you currently have the opportunity to connect to the trading bot without paying for access and continue using the assistant on a permanent basis. If you want to activate the AI trading assistant, simply follow the link in the description and complete the setup steps provided there. If you find this kind of trading content useful, support the channel by leaving a like, subscribing, and enabling notifications so you can stay updated on future videos covering trading strategies, artificial intelligence, technical analysis, and market psychology. I'm also interested in hearing about your experience with AI in trading. Have you ever tested a neural network, trading bot, or another automated analytical tool? Tell me about your experience in the comments and share what you learned from using these technologies. And remember one important principle: artificial intelligence should not replace your own judgment. Even when an AI system provides a strong-looking signal, it is better to combine that information with your own understanding of market structure, a clear trading plan, discipline, and responsible risk management. Neural networks can process large amounts of information much faster than a person. but the final decision should still be approached carefully. Let's look at the American dollar and Japanese yen currency pair on the TradingView terminal now, and I'll draw my conclusions based on the current chart. I'm confident that a key resistance area has formed, from which the price is rebounding downwards. At this high, sellers have begun to reverse the price downwards. I also want to invite you to our private VIP Telegram chat, which you can join for free. Every day, experienced traders with more than 10 years in the market analyze current conditions, discuss potential setups, and share their trading signals with members of the community. This gives you an opportunity to observe how professional traders approach the market, compare their reasoning with AI-generated analysis, and gradually develop your own trading logic by studying the details behind different entries. You can get free access to the VIP chat. Just contact our manager and write, "I want access to VIP chat." The contact link is available in the description. I also want to emphasize that the currency pairs market is highly dynamic, and price can accelerate significantly when important information reaches the market. Volatility is a normal feature of currency trading and can increase because of changes in the global economy, monetary policy decisions, geopolitical developments, unexpected news, and shifts in the balance between buyers and sellers. Economic statistics, interest rate announcements, speeches from central bank representatives, political developments, and sudden changes in demand can cause substantial price movements over a short period of time. When volatility becomes elevated, traders can find it much harder to interpret price action because the market may move rapidly in one direction and then reverse just as quickly. This is one area where modern neural networks can be useful as analytical tools. AI systems can continuously process large volumes of market information, combining technical indicators, price action, momentum, historical patterns, volatility measurements, and available news sentiment to create a more complete picture of the current environment. Finally, there is one more extremely important point I want to mention. Friends, always follow sensible money management rules and avoid putting more than 3% of your total deposit into a single trade. For example, if your account contains $100, a maximum of $3 would correspond to that 3% limit. The exact approach to risk should depend on your own circumstances and trading plan, but the key idea is simple: never put your entire deposit at risk in one decision. Proper position sizing can help prevent one unsuccessful trade from having an excessive impact on your account. Well, guys, that's where my trading session comes to an end. During today's demonstration, the free trading bot produced signals that coincided with the direction of 2 profitable trades. The main takeaway is that artificial intelligence should be treated as an analytical assistant rather than a guarantee of profit. When you combine AI-based market analysis with your own trading logic, discipline, and responsible risk management, you can make your decision-making process much more structured. If you want to test the neural network, follow the link in the description to get access to the free version. This was MaxBot Channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.